Oh, are these the spices from the market? They smell wonderful.
Yes, fresh turmeric and cumin. Let's start preparing the dinner.
Well, hello there. Did the smells bring you in from the cold?
First, we layer the basmati rice, then add the spices one by one. Turmeric for color and red chilies for warmth.
Make sure you stir it slowly so the vegetables cook evenly.
Okay, it smells delicious already.
Just a little more stirring, Grandmother.
Take your time. It's perfect just the way it is.
Freshly made biryani, steaming hot and ready to be enjoyed on this cold winter evening.